How to get rid of acne, girls' biggest problem. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be addressing a common concern among many girls. Acne can be a frustrating and challenging issue to deal with, but with the right approach, it is possible to improve your skin health. The first step in tackling acne is to establish a consistent skincare routine. This includes cleansing your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser and using non-comedogenic products to prevent clogged pores. Incorporating exfoliation into your routine can also help to remove dead skin cells that can contribute to acne breakouts. However, be gentle with your skin to avoid irritation. It's important to hydrate your skin by using a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to maintain its natural balance. Keeping your skin hydrated can help prevent excess oil production that can lead to acne. In addition to a good skincare routine, maintaining a healthy diet and managing stress levels can also play a significant role in managing acne. Eating a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can support overall skin health. If over-the-counter products are not providing the desired results, consulting a dermatologist for personalized treatment options may be necessary. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. By taking a proactive approach to skincare, staying consistent with your routine, and seeking professional guidance when needed, you can effectively address and manage acne, ultimately boosting your confidence and skin health. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, stay beautiful and be confident. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.